Enjoy your breakfast, my love.
Salamat.
Ang cook, busy pa rin. Ano ang breakfast nila? Itlog. Salamat, tay.
Tuloy mo niya pangat.
Hindi, mamaya na ako. Mauna na kayo, tay. Mamaya pa akong magkain.
Sumunod joke?
Anong joke yan?
Tatlong joke to eh.
Joke.
Hindi, tatlong joke to.
Ito, lasing kagabi, oh. Iyak na naman.
Netherlands, American, and Filipino. Joke.
Balak sa buhay.
Now I understand the name of Joe Coy.
Why? Jokoy, the name of Jokoy.
Yeah, because what are you saying? Say in the Philippines, like say Joe Coy, and if you say that fast, Joe Coy.
Naintindihan niya na daw ang pangalan ni Jokoy, tay. Jokoy kay nagano sa ano ba Pilipinis. Sa Pilipinis. Mang may nag-comment mang ba? Si Chachi Apango. Parang si Julia Barreto, si Mother Garner pag nag-ponytail ng buhok. Edi, wow.
Mami Long.
Tumahimik ka daw, ma'am. Sana all. Itlog sila, guys. Itlog. Guys, namurbliba na naman sila sa Bagyo. Pinakitaan ko sila ba sa Metro Manila. Grabe ang Bagyo.
11 to 15 gani.
Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo. Bagyo with, ulan with, ano talaga, oh. Mga, ano yan? Thunder. Ano yan? Kidlat. Oh, tingnan nyo. Tapos ang uwi nila sa Thursday. Puro kidlat. Ayan. Guys, nagpakuha na ng salamin. Magpabook na ito. Barebook na.
Napapangyod na salamin ang dinala.
You're flying with typhoon, right? You are going to have so much fun in the turbulence.
Ito, kinakabahan na ito. Nangurog na ang fit nito ba? Nangurog na ang fit, tay?
Turbulence.
The whole plane, the whole ride. What is it? 11 hours? Sitting like this.
Ganyan siya. Ganyan daw si Itay, guys. Pag nasa aeroplano, ganyan ka, tay? Ganyan kapag nasa aeroplano? Sabi ko nga sa kanya, huwag siya matakot kaya ang turbulence, ano lang yan, normal. Ganyan.
Oh God, you should really oh God, I can hear at the back praying, oh God. And then, when I look at here, this guy like,
Tinitingnan daw siya ng katabi.
that guy next to me like,
Sa'yo lang. Ito palit mo na.
Pero dati, tay, ganyan ka na talaga, tay.
hindi na, natrauma lang ako nung sa ano.
Pinangat na tilapia. Nakabili kami ng tilapia kahapon sa Asian shop. Naglalaro ang mag-ama. Tanggong tayo sa bahay, guys. Dito lang po kami sa bahay kasi pangit ang panahon. Umuulan. Ginawan ako ng mister ko ng carrots juice. Thank you, my love. Gumagawa din siya ng may celery apple. Sabi ko, carrot na akin. Good for the liver. Wow, that is with celery.
That's so sweet. Oh, you don't want me to die?
No, don't want you to
Thank
die.
you.
I just wonder.
And that's the taste.
Tilawid amang. With celery and what did you put, mahal? Turmeric and...
Little bit of turmeric, little bit of cinnamon,
Sarap.
celery,
Lamit.
and then I put 2 apples
Sarap
and
daw.
2 limes.
Nanda.
She's saying sarap, but I don't know, maybe she's lying.
Sarap. Yan, tay, pangpalakas ng loob para hindi ka matakot sa ano, turbulence. Sige daw. Kung sarap ba.
Oh, it's not bad.
Oy, I like it.
Like her?
You want to try?
Yeah.
Sarap. Maybe Natalie like it too.
Masarap, tay. Inupos.
I like it more
Give
than-
more. Ang sabi, pinangat. Naging
Tinanggal ko yung
gata.
kamatis.
Ay, tinanggal mo yung kamatis?
Ready na yung pinangat. Nakita ko yung gata. Sabi ko mas masarap ko paksiw gata.
Tapos meron tayong coffee o good for the liver, guys. At Bilbao. Kain. Tawagin mo si Rigor.
Rigor.
Sabihin mo, Rigor.
Rigor. Ito na pepito.
Hindi.
Pepita ang
Hindi, sabi mo, Rigor, gusto ko liempo.
Sabi mo, gusto ko liempo.
Rigor,
Ito yung bempor.
Liempor.
Again. Rigor,
Kapugi naman ang anak ko, uy. Biyag, 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 biyag.
Rigor, buhok kaglubot.
Igor, dada robot. Robot.
Rigor, buhok.
Kapugi mo pag nakano ba? Sombrero ba?
Yeah.
Sabihin mo natin, Rigor! Sabi,
Rigor.
sabihin mo lang, Rigor!
Robot.
Tingin ka dito, tingin ka dito.
Baho daw lagi globot si Rigor.
Wait. Go.
Robot.
Ulit. Again.
Rigor!
Rigor. Go.
Robot taxi.
Ulit.
Utay, akala ko makakain tayo sa labas.
Prito sana ako kahit tag-iisa lang tayo para matikman man lang natin itong lumpia.
Gawin na lang daw tawki. Hindi na daw lumpia.
Masarap yun sa lumpia. Meron pa ano? Ano ba yun? Hindi.
Wala akong chili sauce.
Hindi yung suka natin yung binili.
Si Madam, ga problema guys kung anong gawin niya sa buhay niya, magpabook ba siya o hindi. Hindi pa din natatapos ang problema niya, guys.
Ang bagyo. Guys, ikaw hindi ka manguro, guys.
Bagyo sa Pilipinas eh.
Hindi lang sa Pilipinas.
Oh, pati dito din.
Madaanan. Ito, may nakita ko dito. Na madaanan siya na bagyo.
Na dito na daw kami magkain, guys, kay Bagyo. Woohoo! Hindi sila mag-uwi, guys. Woo! Wee! Si Itay, tingnan niyo, gumawa ng panglumpia. Tapos naisipan na kakain sa labas, pinatay niya agad. Hindi na lang magawa, mamaya na lang yan.
Teka lang.
Kiyato.
Magbabay tayo. Kain tayo dun sa robot, okay? Hindi kayo mag-uwi tayo.
Ha?
Mag-uwi.
Sana.
Pero na-cancel daw lahat ng ano sa Hong Kong.
Oo. Kasi nga, bukana pa lang yan ha. Lalo na siguro pag andyan na yung mata malapit sa Pinas. Kakain talaga yan.
May naglilinis, guys. Ng ating, tingnan yung tagabantay, oh. Ng ating bintana. Guys, magkain na naman daw kami sa labas. Magkain na naman daw kami sa Grabe na po.
Ay, Daniel, don't be like us. Changeable mind.
Look at Arnold, what he's doing here. He's pushing to make the lumpia. Kay si Daniel, ano ba, kalibanga siya. Kaya hindi na lang kami... See? Changeable mind.
No, he's making lumpia, so let's make.
No, we will eat that for snack. Midnight snack.
Just eat this.
Eh, inuble mo ba?
But it's all kasi baka masira.
Tay, mag-ano ka na lang kaya, Tay? Gawin natin ulam yung ano mo.
Toge?
Hindi, yung... Ano yun, yung...
Pwede ba?
Hindi, yung tukwat baboy.
Pwede man. Pwede naman. Pero gusto mo niya lumabas.
Tara, kain tayo sa labas.
Sige. Magluto lang ako ng mga tayo.
Magbaligo muna ako. Ha? Ha? They're not going home? Wow!
She came here, asked me permission if she is allowed to stay here until.
Gogo! Syunga! Really? Guys, kakain nga kami sa labas.
Wow!
Hindi na naman matuloy nag-video. nabihis na ako. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, sige tayo, magluto na lang. Dito na lang talaga kami kakain. Hindi na matuloy, pero tuloy na hindi sila uuwi. Yes! Yes, yes, yes!
Ano yan? So, pali 3 weeks pa.
Oh, 3 weeks ulit. Hindi sila uwi, guys. Sure na. Na-cancel na ang flight nila. Yeah, kaya Ethan, lumpia.
Wala mo yung MP. Ito niya yung isa.
Hindi na tayo. Hati na kami. Lumpia? Bihisan ko na din sana si Nathan eh. Naudlot na naman.
Yan.
Hindi man sila uuwi. Pagkasabi na hindi uuwi, dito na lang magkain. Dito na lang. Tingnan nyo, nakaready na ako. Tanong ni Tay, saan ka punta? Sabi ko, maligo sana ako. Sabi ko, hindi na lang kay... Ano din yun ba? Barbecue. Ano yan, Tay?
Yung pang
Binalot na. Yung mga shampoo at saka lotion na binili. Smile. Smile. Ano ka pugi? Hope nit, hindi daw kailangan mag-smile. Hi. Anong color ng eyes mo? Anong color? Sabihin mo kay mama. Papa. Papa ears. Nandito. Saan kang punta? Hindi matuloy.
Wow!
I thought you were going to the Korean.
Beautiful!
No.
Oh, it's okay.
Tingnan mo, nakabihis na din ako.
When I'm sitting, like the pants is pressing on my belly, and then my belly, I need to eat like this with my hand here to
Yeah.
stop it pressing
Sige
on
na,
my
try it,
belly.
my love. Masakit ang tiyan mo.
Upo lang tayo, magti tayo doon sa ano.
Oh, mamaya, pagkatapos kain.
Magtuking-tuking lang ba? Siya, ang isa, ready na. Ready mo.
Nice?
Okay na, ano na.
Okay?
Nabook na ako eh.
Nabook na, guys! Nagpaalam ka daw kay Daniel kung pwede pa kayo magstay dito. Kahit 5 years pa kayo magtira dito, mang. Okay lang, mang.
Respeto din po yung sa mga ka.
Respect daw for you.
For me,
That's why he asked you if he can stay longer.
always.
Thank you.
Always. You're always welcome here.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yummy, mahal? It's just tauge and shrimp. Nothing else.
Oh,
Good? It's your first time to try tauge lumpia.
good with this.
Hmm?
Good with this.
Yeah. Sarap tayo? Bila? Dahil nakain.
Yeah, very good.
Toga, ikaw lang iniisip ko, kaya niribok ko.
Salamat.
You know how afraid is Arnold because they're going? Super afraid. Yeah. He's having ano already. What's that? Huh? Nightmares.
You're afraid of the typhoon, but you are not afraid of what you are eating here. You know? Always
Ay, nakain. Always for high blood. We're going to the city after this. After dinner, mahal.
Chat there, talking.
If you don't want to go, just ask. It's fine.
So we can see other faces, you know.
Yeah, because my face is boring. You know.
So we can see, you know, a lot of bicycles walking by, big asses.
Big asses.
Big asses there.
Nag-request pa, more daw.
Inside is already cooked.
Wala na tayong ulam yan mamaya.
Ha?
Wala na.
Hindi, marami pa man yan. Marami pa yan. Ha? Kasi lami ba? Pwede na nga yan. Ano yan?
Nathan, kahit busy.
Walang takutin na.
Tingnan mo, sino yan? Sino yan? Tingnan mo ang mukha ni Papang Arnold. Hala, Pariada. Birthday daw, birthday. Birthday. Nito na.
Gak, makahiya. Wala na. Nakita ng mga ex-comic mura mo. Diba yung pinalit ni Governor sa amin?
Magkanta na naman daw siya na ano. Kayardak birthday daw. In the Gloria.
Yeah. Ikaw na, be? Ikaw na.
Ang asawa.
Ganun na.
Sinatan din sila. Natanong. Nanmamasin. This situation. Ayaw. Wow.
Dalawang kumot ako.
Malamig? Ay, merong ano dun, mang. Gamitin nyo na. Comforter. May dalawa doon, comforter. Si madam, oh, magbigay ng chinilas, oh. Grabe, Jud ba? Pero hindi na, Jud, kayo mag-uwi. Hindi na, Jud, sila mag-uwi. Mag-movie marathon kami, guys. Isang movie lang, hindi pala marathon. Meron siyang ano, oh, chocolate na may raisins. Pringles daw yan, eh. At saka, saging. Saging. Very good. Mang, sigig panrapo, mang. Gabi na, mang. Masama yan, Pung Choy.
Kita ko yung mga...
Sinatan kasi para siyang ano po ba? Ang mata niya parang sa alikabok. Kaya punas ng punas dito.
Kay susi ko eh.
Pinainom na naman nga yan ng antihistamine. Tagal na ba yan? Medyo matagal na din. Mga 1 week na ata hindi nagpula ang mata niyan. Ito na ata ang pinaka-changeable mind. Nabuksan na ang movie. Nanood na kami after. The most changeable mind, family mahal. You know, the movie was already there for 3 minutes. And then someone said, let's play tungits, let's play tungits.
Oh, because you already said you play tungits before the movie.
No, tungits sila, guys.
My God.
Yeah, but not for one game, for all of the games. And the end, you just...
Ano yan yung mag-release?
Ano sa release? Meron chip sila.
Like hits.
What?
Yeah, you burn. Alam niya.
If you want twice, you get all the money.
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the... Yeah, but we're playing with chips instead of money.
Yeah.
I know, but that has each chip is one.
Wala. By color lang.
No, we'll make it with
If we do like that, then I will lose a lot of money. €1 per chip.
No. So, you know, first
Maha, your husband will lose all the money if we do this.
First game is €2. And then if you hit, it's like...
He already knows. We are playing.
Hit is also €1.
You know that
How many pesos you play usually?
There in the Philippines,
Yeah.
5 pesos.
Okay. So now we are starting 60 pesos instead of 5.
Yeah. Sige na, mahal. Sige na.
Sige na. But yeah.
If you win twice, then you get the pot. You know, there's a pot.
Give us 10.
You have burn, ha? You have... Ano pa nga yan, mang? Burn. Fire. Hindi, at saka ano pa yung... hindi yung magano ka ba? Yung itigil na. Draw. Oh, draw. There's draw, mahal. Alam niya yan, mang. Nagatong its kami dito.
I'm losing your €10, huh?
No, mahal. I know that you can, mahal. You want me to be next to you?
Ito, kay panglaruan
I
yung
don't know
iba.
that you should play.
No, it's not sure, it's mine.
Mang, basta mag-English ka, mang ba? Nagasakit ang ulo ko, mang.
If the same,
Hindi ko maintindihan.
if the same color is like,
Parang hindi ka pasok sa utak ko.
notice who did not put, the payment.
Uy, parang ibang klase nito.
Dabi, show us the man. Show us your card if it's nice.
What's this one? Is this the king?
Oh, yeah, that's the king.
Yeah.
Huwag mo ipakita ka.
V, ang H, king, ang V, queen, ang B, jack.
Okay.
O siya na yung B.
Ah,
Queen,
bad
queen,
card.
queen.
Yeah,
Queen.
bad card
No.
indeed.
Kasi ang king, alala, ang king hiren. Ang
Oh.
queen frau. Ang jack bur.
Di ako, ano.
Naakala ko magmumibaraton kami, guys. May bahay na si Daniel. Pwede na siya mag-draw.
Best I can throw.
Maganda ang ano ni mamang ang barahan niya. Tingnan na ang barahan mo, mang. Draw na, mahal, draw!
I cannot draw.
Draw ha, next round. Ow, you cannot.
Hindi siya makadraw.
This is
Wait.
Ang isa dito, gising pa. Nagising yan ng alas 5. Natulog kami, 5 p.m. na kami nakagising.
Papa.
Because I sapaw.
Mahal, be careful. Hoy, you really be careful with my family, mahal. Ha? I know them. You know, you really need to do this. You really need to do this because sometimes when they throw, it's like this.
She's doing that.
She's doing. Hoy, no. Also April Select is always doing that.
Pwede mabe. So, it's for-
Be careful, mahal.
Thank you. You know the rules, let's do them.
Grabe si Nathan. Eh. Tungit, pagsuroy.
Sige, mag-draw ka mahal. Kaya patay ka na.
Draw.
Hala, why did you draw, mahal?
Ako na mag-draw.
Yeah, sige na, ipag-draw mo na.
Tingin draw. Mag-draw siya?
Oh, then puta.
You need to put money if you draw. Or
Ha?
you need to put more money if you draw.
No, if he will fight with you, then and then she wins, you need to give 1 coin.
Yes, I fight.
Yeah.
Ayan.
They fight.
Fight.
And then you give 1 coin, ha?
You have 3.
Yeah. And then how about you? No, I told you. They do that, mahal. You really need to check. They do that.
Your talo, mahal. Your alas, mahal.
I have 8 too.
Oh.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh, tumatago yan sila eh. Mahal, they're cheating on you. Arnold is asking Gunner, what should I throw? Anong itapon ko? Anong itapon ko ga?
I think Nathan should take your place.
She said, what's again is the edge? I said, it's king.
Hala, ganyan pala. Grabe ka naman, ma'am.
That's what I thought. Did you hear?
Mahal.
Did you hear?
Gunner.
I will not play.
She asked, what's again the edge? I said, it's the king. And then I told her,
And then she said, I thank you, Lord.
I think you know.
Hi, cheater! Cheater! I drew the 8.
Huh?
Eh,
Patay siya.
Mahal. He's changing the topic so you will forget. Mag-draw na si Daniel. Very good, mahal. Very good.
how much is the payment?
Hala, she's already hiding the 3, mahal. She's already hiding the 9, mahal. Huwag mo i-hide yan, mang. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. You really need to do this, mahal, ha, with their cards.
I will not.
Doon ka
I
lang.
will not fight.
Labanan mo ka.
How about you? Will you fight
I will
me?
fight.
Ah.
Show me your card. Very good.
Okay.
Ala, nagtago.
Hala.
No need to show, right?
No need to show.
No need to-
Isang tayo.
Isang card. Matakas ko siguro. Card yun.
So-
Si Mercado?
Wala yan,
So,
uy.
it's
5
your
na
hit,
siya.
ha? If you do again the win that this time, you can have it.
We pay him.
Hindi, di tayo
No, uy.
lumaban.
Hindi kayo lumaban. Bawal na daw magtagalog, tay. Wala, sabi pa ni Daniel, wala na akong ano sa inyo.
Tagalog.
Yes, walang Tagalog.
Ah, you got the money. No.
Not a special.
Ha?
That's not a special.
That's not a spell. Mang, wala na, late ka na. Pag sabi ni Daniel ng draw, binaba niya ang bahay.
Dapat pa nagbabata yung dalawa.
Meron ka pala.
Meron din ako, 1, 2, 3
Tanga ka.
classes.
Draw na guys. Ako na muna nagpalit kay mamang kay nag-jeb siya. Pero ganda ng ano natin oh. Baraha oh. Draw na mahal.
Draw.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Eh, sayang, hindi ko pinong sabihin.
Hindi talaga yan sila makaano sa akin, makaik. Si Tay, nagatago na ba? Nagasok-sok. Nakita ko talaga siya. Okay na? Draw. Draw.
Draw?
Draw mahal.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, what are you doing there?
Yeah.
Then? You want? Sure. Okay.
Ayuan siya. Tapos bayad pa.
Yummy milk. Very good, Nathan. Dali na, kay matulog ka na. Mag-toothbrush tayo, tapos mag-ferhal, okay? Mag-story, tapos mag-sleep na. Busy pa rin sila, oh. Ito si Tay, ang kailangan talaga bantayan, oh.
Eh, bakit tinatago mo sa kalo niya yun?
Mahal, you should take the bonnet. Maybe there's a lot, oh.
I'll do that when
Very square here.
Very square.
Very square, yeah. Then,
Huy, 10:30 na. Sino panalo? Huh?
Joker is out, no?
Magkano talo mo, Tay?
19 euro.
Grabe yan.
19 euro.
Yeah, look, I already paid her my due.
4 euros.